Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. In today's video on Tech Data Stream 1 portal, I'm here to show you how to deploy a click-to-run solution for Office 365 backup by utilizing Veeam. So if you're not familiar, Stream 1 is our reseller-facing portal through which you can deploy and provision services, and Tech Data has created a lot of click-to-run solution. So as you can see, I'm already logged into the portal techdatastream1.ca. And in order to reach this page, you can just do a quick search in the search bar and type Azure, and it will take you to this page. And the first option is Microsoft Azure Registration and Solutions. So let's go to click for details. And as I said that Tech Data has created a lot of pre-configured bundles, which are click-to-run solution, and that's some of the example. I have Veeam Backup for Office 365, Cloud Connect, NetApp, Veritas Backup Exec, Azure Backup, Containers, File Storage, ONTAP. And if I go to the next page, I have a couple of more options. Now, since we are talking about Office 365 by utilizing Veeam, so let me pick that and go click on Register. And at this stage, I'll go and view cart. I only want quantity once, so I'll just change it and go to proceed to checkout. And at this stage, if you're creating an end user for the first time, I'll go to the second tab, expand that, and here you need to provide a primary domain. For this demonstration, I'm just going to use something which I know is available, so I'm just going to type some random, but obviously you will use the specific domain name that you have. And then you have to provide the Microsoft end customer agreement, so let me provide that info. Acceptance date, phone number, and at which email ID you want that credential to be sent. In this case, I'm just going to use with the girish.sharma@techdata.ca and continue to payment. You need to provide a PO number. Go to summary. And here you get the information about the end customer, the configuration, and the product that we have selected. And as you can see that the total amount is 0 because it's all based on consumption. So there is no charge to start with. And let's go and click on place order. So yes, the order is currently being processed. So we have registered the order, but we still have not configured Office 365 for Veeam on Azure. So let me go to the reseller portal. Go to Digital Locker. And here I'll just type my name because under which I have configured this, and go to the IES Patch tab. And if I scroll down, it should be all the way at the bottom. This is the one that I'm talking about. As you can see, the domain that I gave. Click on modify. And if I scroll down, I have the option of click to configure. So let me click on this. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can see that my subscription is active, and if I click on deploy solution, and continue. It will open a wizard for me, which is asking me to configure the Office 365 backup by utilizing Veeam. So the first step I need to specify is the region. Because we're talking about Canada, I will pick Canada Central, which is the Toronto region. I need to give the name for the resource group, give the name for the virtual machine, provide the username and the password. So this person will have a complete control over the machine that will be deployed. And if I further scroll down, I have the advanced bundle setting in which I have different sizes to choose from. I have extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. And this all pertain to a specific series of virtual machine. And Tech Data has created a detailed documentation which gives you information about what is the series of the virtual machine that get deployed, what kind of storage that is associated with this. So I'll highly recommend that you go through this documentation, which Tech Data will be happy to share with you. And the moment you click on the Deploy Now button, in the back end, all the codes will start getting deployed. The virtual machine will start spinning. Will configure the VNet for you, the network security group, the storage will be associated. So all the things that is needed in order to spin those resources within the Azure environment. And once it is deployed, you have already the credentials with you for the Azure portal, and you can log in into the machine and you can configure. And the good thing about the cloud is that in case you need to move up and down your resources, you can always change. You can always scale up and scale down. But the idea here is that just with few single step, everything will be deployed for you. The Veeam licensing is already deployed. The Veeam software will be there on the machine. Everything is configured. You just need to upload your licensing file and you're good to go. So this was a brief rundown on how to deploy click-to-run solution for Office 365 Veeam backup by utilizing Tech Data Stream 1 portal. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.